Hello traders, and welcome to our London session daily market review for Tuesday, March 8th. Starting it off with US markets. US stock indexes traded mixed yesterday amidst a crude oil jump to over $40 per barrel, while Federal Reserve's official discussed whether current inflation supports an interest rate hike. The US dollar moved lower yesterday on Fed member speeches, and greenback futures are currently consolidating. Canadian dollar futures have been strengthening since mid-January, but are weakening today ahead of tomorrow's Bank of Canada interest rate decision. Moving on to Asian markets. Major stock indexes in China and Japan sagged today as crude oil gave up some overnight gains, and a weak trade balance reading from China has investors worried over a slowdown in the region. Japanese yen futures are trading up against most other major currencies ahead of Thursday's ECB meetings. The Australian dollar surged yesterday on major increases in iron ore prices, but futures are pairing yesterday's gains today. And in European markets, European shares depreciated yesterday, led by weak utility and banking shares, and index futures are lower today as well. Euro futures are flat today, while British pound futures are edging lower ahead of today's speech by Bank of England Governor Mark Carney. In commodities highlights, crude oil prices rose yesterday on investor optimism that oil suppliers would reach a price support deal, but crude is moving lower for now. Gold prices are higher today on signs of a weaker US dollar. And here are today's important economic events. At 9:15 a.m. GMT, Bank of England Governor Mark Carney is scheduled to testify on the United Kingdom's European Union membership before a parliamentary committee in London. At 1:30 p.m., a Canadian building permits reading will be released, which measures the number of new residential building permits issued during the previous month. Experts expect to see a drop of 2.2%. And at 11:30 p.m., an Australian Westpac consumer sentiment reading will be released. This data is based on a survey of consumers regarding their confidence in the economy. Last month's reading came in at 4.2%. This was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.